What is Bulls Lead? Bulls Lead is a people-focused, technical leadership initiative for engineering students fostered by the College of Engineering Dean's Office. The idea is to transform engineering leadership by instilling the ultimate imperative of putting people first when it comes to technology development. Bulls Lead is a two-step process. Bulls Lead is rooted in self-initiative. The program promotes a leadership model reflecting how effective leadership begins with self-awareness and leading oneself. Then, in step 2, progressing beyond this initial context, Bulls Lead addresses the importance of leading people and ultimately leading the development and growth of an organization that inspires innovation and develops new technology.
So I feel like Bulls Lead kind of fills a gap in the engineering curriculum. We spend a lot of time working on equations and things like that, and we don't spend a lot of time working on our communication skills and our emotional intelligence. And so I think Bulls Lead kind of encompasses all of that into one program. We've worked a lot on leading oneself this past year, and now we're transitioning into leading others. And so I really liked being able to learn about things like active listening and radical responsibility and being able to apply those into my life. It's easy to see even today, only 1 year into the program, the effects that Bulls Lead has on all of my relationships, professional and personal. So I can only imagine how much better it's going to get with this next year moving on to leading others. I think that the more we work in a whole unit of Bulls Lead, we work together in different groups and things like that, I'm able to see that those interactions are more meaningful as we progress through the program. And so I see that also being implemented into my professional life as well.
So I think Bulls Lead has been great for me in terms of soft skills, because as engineers we learn all the technical stuff in the classroom, but then complementing that with leadership abilities that can help you not only in your professional life but also in your interpersonal relationships with your friends and family members has been really helpful for me. The advice I have for students is to apply. At first it might seem like it's a lot to do, like you have to write an essay, but the experience you learn within the program is really invaluable, and there's no other program like it in the college or even at USF. So it's really going to help drive your personal life and professional life forward.
We've learned so much, and I've had my share of leadership courses and programs and organizations, but none quite like Bulls Lead. It comes at you with a whole new perspective on leadership. They were teaching us in order to become a good leader, you need to first lead yourself. And I thought it was really, really cool because I learned things about myself that I never even knew. I definitely know that with all the little things that we're learning, like the active listening and how to be a conscious leader, will definitely help me once I start my career and start at a company. I'll definitely use what I'm learning in Bulls Lead for the rest of my life, and I know that. Well, the advice I have for students interested in Bulls Lead is go for it. It's a learning experience that you will never get anywhere else, I don't think. It teaches you so much, and not only will it prepare you for the future, but you're going to use this stuff all the time. It's not like another class. It's life-changing. Go Bulls! Go Bulls!
Go Bulls!